Hey friends, if you encounter the error your connection is not secure or private in Firefox and Chrome, then please watch this video. So whenever I encounter an error, my first approach is to understand the root cause of the problem before turning towards the solutions. Now here's what we have to do. First of all, check the system date and time. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane and make sure that all of these three buttons are checked and then click on sync now. The next solution is to check Firefox history. Clear Firefox history. So click on these three, the hamburger symbol at the top right corner and select history and click on clear recent history. Now click on clear. The last solution is a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on yes. Okay, and then we can click on next and then we can select full scan and click on next. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.